Hello everyone and hello Gusti. My name is Lanang. Now I want to describe one website that is useful for children. I chose this website, namely this one below. This website is a tutorial on drawing plans for children who want to go to school. Let's see the tutorial. Go to Google Chrome and copy the link in the description, and then it appears like this. And this an example of children who have used this website. For those who don't have a drawing book or can buy a drawing book, you can use this website to draw files. Take a look at this tutorial video and let's draw a plan together. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Hopefully this is useful. Bye.